Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This is Abdullah Najimi and I'm going to teach you Arabic grammar. So we are going to study Arabic grammar from the very basic topic, which is called alphabet. Please don't worry if you don't have any prior knowledge or information about Arabic language, so it doesn't matter, because we are going to start our course from the very basic concept, which is called alphabets. So as today is our first lecture, so let us title it as an introduction of our entire course, and somehow we will get some information about Arabic language, and secondly we will study what should we do in order to learn this course. So this lecture is only for this. So Arabic language is divided into two parts. The first one is called اللغة الفصحى. اللغة الفصحى means official language, and it is used only for official purpose, like for Quran and Hadith. Official, or we can say other Arabic books, newspapers, and government, they are used for official purpose only. And the second category of Arabic is called اللغة العامية. So this is used for communication purpose only, and it is not official. We can say it is street language. So in this language has different dialects. For example, Egypt has their own dialect. United Arab Emirates has their own dialect. Iraq has their own dialect. Each country has their own dialect, and it is used only for communication purpose. So in this course, we are not going to study اللغة العامية. We will be studying, inshallah, اللغة الفصحى, in order to understand the meaning of Quran and Hadith, and Arabic books, newspapers, magazines, and these things. So output of this course, or if we study this course, so what we will learn. Output of this course. So output of this course will be, inshallah, you will understand the meaning of Quran and Hadith, Arabic books, textbooks, newspapers, magazines. If you listen to news, Al Jazeera, inshallah, you will understand them. About the videos. So there are two types of videos, اللغة العامية, like unofficial Arabic, and اللغة الفصحى. So please, if whenever you want to watch Arabic videos or movies, watch official اللغة الفصحى. So, and I will give you some more information about the videos as well. So, and it's one point, you will understand the meaning of Quran in these things. And secondly, so if you are interested in other languages like Turkish, maybe Farsi, Urdu, in many other languages, so you will able to learn it easily, because they have shared words, vocabulary, and grammar in common. So this is the output of this course. So it was somehow extra information. So there is the second point. So how can I learn this course? It's a very important question. How can I learn this course? So there are two methods. If you follow them, so inshallah you won't believe, or you will never imagine that this course will be difficult. But if you don't follow one of these rules, so this course will be difficult for you, and you will not able to understand it. Please, as it is our first lecture, I'm telling you, so please follow these two rules in order to learn this course. If you leave it, or if you don't follow these rules, so this course won't be beneficial. The first one, lecture first. It means whenever we study a lecture, please, you should follow, and you should study it well, and you should make sure yourself that you have covered that lecture, and then you should come to the next lecture. If you don't know the prior lecture, please don't come to the new lecture. So because you will not able to focus on the new lecture, because they will have somehow connection with each other. Like this course lectures would be like chain, they will have connection with each other. Please make sure that you have covered the previous lecture very well, and then you should come to the new lectures. So it was the first method, and the second method is assignments. So generally we will have assignments after each class, so please write assignment. So the assignments would be lengthy somehow. Please write 100% assignment, but in case if you cannot, there is 25% option, so 50% option, but 100% would be preferable. In case you are busy or if you cannot write assignments, so these two options are for them. And there is permanent, I would say permanent assignment. So these are some tasks which we cannot follow, we cannot study in this course, so you can practice and enhance these skills with your own selves. So the first one is vocabulary. So in this course we will have two lectures of vocabulary, but and we will cover maybe 300 words. But these 300 words would be enough for covering these lectures, but they won't be enough for understanding the meaning of Quran and Hadith, video, for movies, these things. So it won't be enough. So logically, everyone know. So how can I improve vocabulary? So there are various ways. So the first one, please translated Quran. Please try to find out English word by word translated Quran, and through this translated Quran you can improve your skills, your vocabulary. First method. Secondly, there are some books like الكتاب الاساسی. There are about 7 or 8 books. You can Google it and download it. So there is الدروس, اللغة, العربية. There are, I think, 3 books. You can Google it. And the fourth, there is Lisan al-Quran. So this this book is grammar books. So, and we are covering our lectures from these books, Lisan al-Quran. So you can improve your vocabulary through this Lisan al-Quran, and you can improve your there are many exercises or many, you can, if you want to improve yourself more, so you may prefer to Lisan al-Quran book as well. There are about 6 books. Okay, there is a point. If you cannot cover it now because you may be very basic student of Arabic language, you may not able to improve yourself through these books, so don't worry. When we complete chapter 2, then you may come to these books for further improvement. Right now, if you cannot go through these books, so it doesn't matter because you are basic students. So it was first permanent assignment, and second, so you may watch some videos or in order to improve your listenings. So I would prefer, there could be many videos, you may go through different videos, so it's your as you wish, but there are some TV series, المسلسل كلام الله. So you will find too much cartoons if you write this in Google and enter it. So like المسلسل خليل and many others, even with English translation. So by this you will improve your اللغة الفصحى, and inshallah it will be very joyful cartoons. So they are very basic Arabic, so inshallah you will improve your knowledge. So there is another point. So this course will have inshallah 6 chapters, and these are will be divided into 2 parts, 3 chapters and 3 chapters. These 3 chapters will be considered as a beginner, and these 3 will be considered as an advanced level, beginner level. And I will try to make lectures very short, and I won't talk or I won't explain it, or I will avoid unnecessary explanation. So inshallah my videos will be very short, so I don't want to bore you. So please, this course is for all of you. So if you are engineer, if you are doctor, if you are in primary school, if you are in high school, so if you have some information of Arabic, or if you don't have any information of Arabic, if you are Muslim, or if you are not Muslim, so it doesn't matter. So this course is for everyone. Please like and share my channel, and please share and spread this lecture with your friends, so in order to they may get benefit from this lecture. So, and another, I would say, as an optional third point in assignment, so please, you may teach this grammar to your home or family members. By this you will improve your skills, and you will spread Arabic to other people. So our lecture is completed here, so we will see in coming lecture.